You already have what you need. A powerful Christian motivational story. What if the miracle you're praying for is already in your hands? What if God has already given you everything you need, yet you're looking elsewhere? This story will remind you of a powerful biblical truth. God never calls you without equipping you. There was a believer who constantly felt unqualified. He looked at others and thought, if only I had more talent, more money, more confidence, then God could use me. So he waited and waited. But nothing changed because he believed he was lacking. In the Bible, when Moses doubted himself, God didn't give him something new. God asked a simple question. What is that in your hand? Not what you don't have, not what someone else has, but what is already in your hand. That ordinary staff became a tool for miracles. The truth is this: God often starts with what seems ordinary, a skill you overlook, a gift you underestimate, a small step of obedience you delay. But in God's hands, the ordinary becomes extraordinary. You may feel small, unseen, or unprepared, but God doesn't need perfection. He needs availability. He doesn't wait for you to have more. He asks you to use what you already have. Your voice, your faith, your time, your willingness. Stop comparing your beginning to someone else's middle. Stop waiting for permission you already have from God. The same God who worked through Moses, David, and Esther is ready to work through you. You already have what you need because God put it there. So, today, take that step. Use what's in your hand and trust God to do the rest. Remember, your calling is not delayed. Your belief might be. If this message encouraged you, like, share, and subscribe.